Howdy, I'm Derek from Heckler. There's a number in every AV deployment that never shows up on the bill of materials, but it absolutely shows up in your margins. Installation complexity. A system that takes 90 minutes to assemble instead of 20 doesn't fail visibly, it fails financially. That extra time compounds room by room, building by building, campus by campus. Take a 200-room rollout. Add just 70 minutes of unexpected install time per room, and that's over 230 hours of unplanned labor. That's not a rounding error. That's a line item that reshapes your entire project. And the industry is starting to say this out loud. Installation isn't just about mounting a display anymore. It's about deploying a complete system, aligned to the room, the workflow, and the long-term needs of the organization. Because we're not building temporary spaces anymore. We're building permanent hybrid environments, and permanent environments demand repeatability. But repeatability doesn't start with software. It starts with hardware. First problem, tool complexity. Every extra tool required during installation adds friction. It adds variability. It adds opportunity for mistakes, different text, different torque, different alignment. And now your standardized deployment looks different in every room. Second problem, joint integrity. Most mounting systems rely on flat surfaces clamped together. Friction holds everything in place until it doesn't. Over time, vibration, movement, daily use, those connections loosen. Displays drift, cameras shift, and support tickets start rolling in. So the question becomes, what if the problem isn't the installer? What if it's the hardware? At Heckler, we approach this differently. Our patent-pending connection system doesn't rely on friction. It uses tapered set screws seated into precision machined conical receivers. As you tighten the screw, the joint self-aligns. It locks into place and becomes one rigid structure. No micro-movement, no drift, and no callbacks. This isn't a small improvement, it's a different mechanical principle. Flat connections fight loosening. Conical connections prevent it. For express install stands, you walk into a room with one carton, one hex key, and a display. Minutes later, the room is up and running. No secondary tools and no complexity. For the XL Display Stand Mark II, it's the same system, the same tool, and the same process over and over again, whether you're building 1 or 50. No retraining and no variations. And then there's the wall, or the lack of it. Floor-supported design eliminates wall mounting entirely. No structural analysis, no anchor selection, no coordination with contractors, no surprises behind drywall. You don't wait on the wall, you just build the system. That independence simplifies everything. Fewer stakeholders, shorter timelines, more predictable installs, and predictability is what protects your margins. At the end of the day, large-scale deployment comes down to one thing. Can you do it the same way every single time? Same tool, same process, same result. Installation complexity has always been the hidden line item. It just hasn't been solved until now. For more information on the products we've mentioned or to explore the full Heckler product line, visit heckler.com.